Hi viewers, welcome to Sara Pakistan. Our today's video is about A-level mathematics. We hope that this video will help you to understand difficult concepts. However, if you feel any difficulty, please let us know through comments and we'll try to help you accordingly. Before we start our today's video, you are requested to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. We hope you will like and share it with your friends. Viewers, let's start learning mathematics now. Today we will solve question number 4, exercise 1b and part C. In this question we have to change the form of the question and we will proceed by rearranging. It will become minus 2x square plus 4x plus 13, and you can take minus 2 as common and you are left with x square minus 2x plus 13. Now you can apply the formula minus 2 and it will become x minus 1 whole square minus 1 whole square plus 13. On simplification you will get minus 2 times x minus 1 whole square plus 2 plus 13, and this can be reduced 15 minus 2 times x minus 1 whole square. This is the required form. Viewers, now will solve question number 5 and part C. To reduce this question into the required form, you need to simplify it. We will take common. (25) as common. You are left with x square plus 40 over 25x and minus 4. On further simplification you will get x square plus 8 over 5x and minus 4. Now you will apply the formula. It will become x plus 4 over 5 whole square minus 25 times 4 over 5 whole square and minus 4. This is 25 x plus 4 over 5 whole square minus 25 times 16 over 25 minus 4, and this is 25 x plus 4 over 5 whole square minus 20. Now you can take this 25 inside the bracket and it will become 5 times x plus 5 times 4 over 5 whole square minus 20, and this is 5x plus This will cancel away. You are left with 4 whole square minus 20. This is the required form. Viewers, thanks for your precious time. Please subscribe to our channel Sara Pakistan and hit the bell icon for regular updates. Hope you will like and share this video within your circle. Stay connected and thanks for watching.